NASA's Perseverance rover has been working on its science mission with the help of the Suparcam instrument, a rock vaporizing laser and camera that examines rocks and soils. To learn more about Suparcam, we are joined by Himani Kalucha. She's the science payload uplink lead for Suparcam operations.
So Suparcam looks out of the big circular window in the white box on top of the mast, and it uses spectroscopy, which is just when light excites atoms in a rock and we get unique shifted wavelengths back to us. And so we use a combination of lasers and infrared vision, and that lets us do science even further out than the robotic arm. The lasers reach 7 meters or 23 feet away, and the infrared much, much further. And that's not even all. We have a tiny high-resolution camera and a microphone to hear Mars. And that's how we heard the helicopter.
And can you talk about some of the images Suparcam has taken and why they are important to scientists?
Absolutely. So we started by taking out images and spectra near the rover. And as you can see in this image, the laser actually blows away the dust and makes these small pits in the rocks. And that lets us analyze material that's just below the surface of the rock, which is what we care about. And then we can record the sounds of the laser with our microphone, and it tells us something about the hardness of the rocks. And then starting Sol 26, we were able to take pictures of these long distance targets like Kodiak. And that really helps the rover team understand where to drive next for more close-up analysis. And these red circles you see is actually the infrared telling us about the mineral content of these faraway outcrops. So that's how Suparcam figures out more about the geological history of Mars. And we're so excited to see what the laser can do next.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Himani. To get the latest updates, follow at NASA JPL and at NASA Persevere on social media. And on the mission website, mars.nasa.gov/perseverance, you can also find all the raw images being sent back by the rover.